If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody'd be camping just like the BSA. You see them wearing their backpacks and hiking all the way. Everybody's gone scouting USA.
Well, the cute part, well,
I'm tall and skinny, he's short and chubby. He's perfect.
Okay. Put it on the diamond. I'm going to start at the tip and work my way in. The tip is small and the tool is first. Are the cooler stars. And this is a Dutch oven lid lifter. And we're going to take it over on the anvil and I'm going to forge a point out on it. As soon as I get her hot here and ready to go, I'm going to walk right over there and we're going to let her go. Okay, if you're ready to follow me, here we go. All right, do a little zoom. Can you zoom it? Yeah. See that? I missed it. I'm doing all the point right now. See the point? Now I can come back. Even if it's a little ugly, and then I can come back and clean it up. Okay, I'm going to put it on the diamond. I'm going to rotate it, put it on the diamond again. There we go. We're pretty much ready to go. Straighten it out just a little bit. Okay, we're going to do the other one the same. Yeah, these are okay, same thing. I'm going to work the point first. See how my arm is going up and down as I need to go? I can lift it up to get it. Working the point first. Okay, come back.
Now, I wonder what the foot pound pressure is putting on it.
Now I'm going to work the diamond. Rotate it, work the diamond again.
I don't know what it means, but rotate the diamond. Maybe we can ask for that. Let's rotate the diamond.
All we need to do now is bring this over. You got to remember this part. This handle has got to be up. Here's a little bit here on the end of this handle has to be up. And then we're going to just leave an inch and a half over here and bend it over. Okay. Let me grab the other one that's hot. And I'll let you bend it over. And then we put a little curly Q on the end of it and you're all set to go. And then all we have to do is put a preservative on here. We're going to use a little beeswax. When this is warm, we'll brush it off first. Put a little beeswax on. And then we'll go from there.
Let's go see what we got.
And when I started, I've had all these small forges at different times, and I kept progressing to a bigger unit. And now, in my lifetime, I'm a caretaker. This will pass on to somebody else when I'm gone. Same with this blower. This is a very expensive blower. They don't make them anymore. They're difficult to find. They're very expensive when you can find them. We do have a lot of tools. This big vise, you can still buy these, but they're like $1,500. This is an old one. It's an antique one. But again, I'm a caretaker. I'm just going to use it until I pass. Somebody else will get this. All of this stuff in here, pretty much. It's expensive stuff, but the old stuff lasted. They don't make this anymore, so it's hard to come by. So we've adapted. I mean, I have a lot of modern new equipment in my shop, but some of the old stuff works fine. You know,
That's why it got old.
yeah, it did. It stayed old because it actually worked.
Hi, my name is Caleb and I'm from Nevada. Hi, my name is Gray and I'm from California. My name is Brendan and I'm from Colorado.
My name is Adam and I'm from Utah.
My name is Mitchell and I'm from California.
My name is David and I am from California.